what's up, guys? It's been a long time since I made a video. I'm gonna try and keep this one as short as I can, which, you know, that's not gonna happen. But so a lot has happened over the last a year probably since I've made the last video. I have done really nothing with my car, except that I did airbags, suspension, which, I mean, if you really, if you guys want, I could definitely review for you, but I will say thumbs up, definitely the best, best mod, I think, so far that you know, outside of the power mods that I've done to the car that's really made a difference, because it's like night and day, honestly. That's my opinion. I don't know. But going from coilovers, Fortunato 500s to the airlift suspension was like, oh my god, it's like definitely a new car. Different feel for sure, and it looks pretty awesome. But anyway, I haven't really done much with the car. I bought a house. I moved. I live in Destin, Florida now. Instead, I was in Virginia Beach before. Excuse me. And yeah, I just had a lot going on with that, and you know, moving, PCSing, and whatnot. And yeah, so this is my first video with another modification in a long time. So this one, very, very, very excited about. If you thought I was excited about my Grimsby J-pipe, you ain't seen nothing yet. I was on the forums one day, just flipping through, probably like much of you guys, and I came across a guy who had made a post about he created his first header for the FA20. The guy's name is Barr, and he owns 850 Fabrications. I had talked with him for a while, over a couple of weeks, about his header and what his plans were for it and what his goals were and everything. And you know, he's really motivated, and he has a great product. I mean, you could just see it, and you know that it's quality. It takes a lot of time with all of this stuff. If anybody knows anything about his products, they'll say it's all top notch. Which his product speaks for itself. He's a family man. He devotes a lot of his time to this, and you know, got to commend him for that. But again, his work is you'll see. But you guys definitely get on Facebook and check him out if you guys are interested. And it doesn't just have to be for Subarus. He does a ton of different makes, models, and all sorts of stuff. So he could basically make anything you want if you need it. All custom, hand built, one-of-one for you. Awesome, really good dude. Definitely motivating, and you know, motivated to get work done and everything like that, which is really awesome. I got lucky enough to be the guinea pig for his new product, and I'm just super pumped about it. I know he is too. He's been you know, Xing out that calendar at home. I know he's just waiting for he was waiting for this day, and so have I. But it is finally here, so I have to do a little bit of morning work defending America. And I'm going to be leaving about 8:30 to go over to Emerald Coast Motorsports to go check out Mike and the shop. They're going to do the install for me. I'm very excited to go over there and meet them and check the shop out. I've heard nothing but great things about them. They're pretty involved in this community down here in the Emerald Coast. Emerald Coast Subaru Club is actually sponsored by them, which is pretty cool. I thought that was pretty awesome when I found out about that. That they help out the local Subaru community by sponsoring them and giving them a little bit of a break on the stuff if you're part of the club. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, so hopefully in about an hour and a half I'll be on my way over there to Emerald Coast Motorsports to check out Barr and his awesome header, and we're gonna get that thing installed. I'm gonna slap it on Emerald Coast Motorsports dyno, and I'm gonna have Anthony from Drunkman tuning, which is pretty awesome as well. This is just like a package deal. He's going to be doing the tuning for it, and we're going to see what kind of numbers we could pull out of it. But Anthony is expecting anywhere from 15 to 20, based on other people that have commented on his work. They've pulled out a lot more than that, but you know, he's hoping for the best, and honestly, I think it's going to outperform that 15 to 20 myself, by the way it looks. And then I don't know if you guys know what the stock header on these cars look like, but yeah. So I can see why Blake was compelled to fix that. But yeah, he's just trying to make the FA20 great again, pretty much. So yeah, so just stand by, and then you know, we'll get back to it, and hopefully we can get some sweet shots of the header itself before it goes in. We're definitely gonna meet Blake, and then we can get some dyno shots hopefully, and then for sure some dyno sheets. So yeah, pretty excited. Stand by. What's up, guys? So I'm on the way to Emerald Coast Motorsports right now, going to meet Blake, and well, I'm on my way to get some gas first, and then I'm gonna go meet Blake at Emerald Coast after that. Super excited. Sorry, I'm all scatterbrained right now. I'm pumped. Cannot wait to hear the difference in sound that this header is going to be doing for my car, and again, the power, which is awesome. That's what I'm excited for the power, but honestly, I'm excited to hear how this thing is going to sound. To me, daily driving a car, when you hear it, it's just like, it makes it that much more enjoyable. And I think this header is really going to open it up. I've watched a couple of videos on some other header installs and whatnot with, all right, imagine that, a BMW riding my ass. I watched a couple of videos on on some different header installs and whatnot with, who was it, Parent, I believe. They just did the bolt-up header. Oh, there he goes. And they said that it makes it sound a lot deeper and a lot throatier, and you know, that is what I'm really excited about, because the combination of my Grimspeed and the Grady Catback is Grimspeed J-pipe and the Grady Catback exhaust is like amazing as it is. So I can only imagine what it's going to sound like once I throw this 850 Fabrications header on there, and I'm really excited about that, because I get to hear that sweet music every day when I'm driving. So if you guys are curious to see what I already have done, check out my other videos, and you'll get an idea of what's done with the car. I was told that we are not going to be able to do a baseline numbers dyno first, just because of time constrictions and whatnot. So, but the car did make 330, 323 in Virginia, and hopefully, you know, we do 350 or better today. I was told that Emerald Coast Motorsports dyno reads a little bit low, but hopefully we can get up there to where I'm a little bit at 350 or a little bit over. So yeah, stand by.
This is tight. Yep.
Yeah, everything should be good and tight, man.
Guten tight.
Guten tight. This is tight.
Looks pretty good, man. I say we set her down, put coolant in, and fire it up.
Agreed.
First startup.
No.
Ready? No, hold on.
Cars on the dyno.
Brake on, so the 2x4 is just compressed that.
About a week since dyno day. I wanted to do another video because the clip that I had originally from leaving the Emerald Coast Motorsports was not good. I don't know what happened to the sound when it got recorded or whatever. I'm not sure if this one's even going to record good, but I'll use the better of the two for this final closeout clip. So I know I did a lot of talking in the beginning of the video. Just hope you guys got everything you could out of it. So I will end with this. The nitty-gritty details. So after the retune, or after the install, I should say, of the header, on my original Pro Tune, which was not the best, I was able to pick up 17-wheel horsepower, 17-wheel torque, just from install. No anything, baseline to baseline, or baseline to post install, whatever you want to call it. I was able to pick up 17-wheel horsepower, 17-wheel torque, just header or manifold, whatever you want to call it. After that, Anthony worked his magic on the keyboard there in his laptop, and he was able to pull out 26 horsepower, 30-wheel torque. From just retuning my car with this header on, with his tune. So I did find out while doing this that I do have a leaky bypass valve. I was not able to hold over 19 pounds on the dyno. Since then, I have not been able to hold over 18.6 on the street. So I'm leaking from the bypass valve. I am going to be replacing it. We'll probably be getting back on the dyno to make sure that was it. And get some updated numbers with a good bypass valve and good spark plugs as well. My spark plugs need to be changed. They're 33,000 miles on the original spark plugs. So yeah. So all in all, from beginning to end, the process was awesome. It was great. Had the guys over there helping me out with the with the install and getting Blake his numbers on the dyno for his research on this. Yeah, it's just awesome. The car now is just super aggressive, way more snappy, and the power band is just so smooth. Just really excited about it. Very, very pleased with the product. Cannot complain at all. So I will say, these headers are available currently. The Manifold is available currently for purchase. You can get them on 850fab.com. I also will be talking with Blake and seeing if we can market these on Boost Division, on Boost Division's website, and through us as well. So Boost Division's website is currently being built by the guys down here. So far the templates look amazing. You guys are gonna love it when it hits. We should be able to market these. Hopefully, again, I got to talk to Blake about the details, but we should be able to hopefully get them on Boost Division's Facebook, and you know, you guys should be able to get them through us as well. Some of you guys might already be customers, so if you're returning, we all appreciate it. Also, check out our T-shirts. Boost Division T-shirts are available for pre-order. You can check them out on Boost Division's Facebook page. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I like those a lot. Can't wait to get those in so we can actually wear one. But yeah, those are also available for pre-order, so you can get your pre-orders in now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to touch base with the details. I did post that dyno sheet. It's kind of confusing, so that's the reason I wanted to actually get into the details of it, because it was like a baseline dyno versus post tune and install post dyno. The graph is there, the numbers are there. It's just, it was all wonky how it all showed up on the paper. We were kind of burnt out at the end of the day after all this, so I mean, it was a long one. So yeah, make sure you check out Boost Division on Facebook. Give us a like. Check out our reviews if you're you want to know what kind of company we are. And definitely check out 850 Fabrications and Blake. Get your orders in for these for the header, the manifold, and you know, get these things on your car. I'm telling you, they're awesome. Definitely worth it. All right. Well, I guess I'll have to cut this now. Until the next mod.